welcome back to my channel. And I have some exciting news for you. So starting September 1, I am going to be doing, along with Laura and Natalie, Scraptember. So if you guys all remember last year on my channel, I got together with Laura, and what we decided to do was Scraptember. We thought it would be awesome to do 30 days of videos. And what are we doing? Bringing it back. So we are excited because we are doing something a little bit different. So if you were a returning subscriber to me, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm doing. If you came on prior to that or after that or whatever the case may be. So the way Scraptember worked in 2018 is Natalie is going to be added onto this, and Natalie did a prompt based, and I will link that in the end of this just so that you can see the prompts, and every day has a prompt. Now for me, I ain't doing the prompts. I'm one of them that I'm going to scrap the way I want, and I'm going to do it the way I want. But for you guys, we wanted to give you something easy. So one day could be buttons, the next day could be mixed media, another one could be make a card. And every day you just make a project. It's 30 projects that you can say that you are done. So that is exactly what we're doing. So we're bringing, Laura and I are coming back. Natalie's joining us. And it'll be 30 days of Scraptember. So every day you will have a layout. The cool part is we are going to be bringing a guest designer. So last year in 2018 for September, it was just the three of us posting every day. And then we were posting every day everywhere else to show you. Well, now we're bringing a guest designer. So make sure that every time you dip down below, in every group that you see, you will see the thumbnail. The thumbnail will state Scraptember, a video a day. And in the description, we'll have our guest designer for that particular day. I am excited because of who we have gotten. They are amazing ladies. And some of you may know them, some of you may not know, and that's why we're bringing them to here as a guest designer. Now, outside of all that, we will have a scrappy tag that comes along around mid-September, and I am telling you, I just finished my September, my scrappy tag for that 20 minutes later, so I hope that you stick around when that day comes up. We are throwing in our design team layouts. Laura and I are on design teams. So you may see a design team layout for that day. We're not doing anything separate. We're still going to do scrap lift Sundays. And then that'll still have the designer link down below. Everything that you see on our channel now is going to stay there. But it's just a video a day. So if it's just a regular video, that's what we're doing, plus our design team work. Also, I am going to throw in a couple of close to my heart areas there as well. So you may see that. You'll probably see my haul show up for close to my heart as well, because the new catalog comes out in September. So I'm going to link those on there too for other days, and that'll be in the beginning and whatnot. And then I'm not going to do a scrappy chat on my channel, only because I'm putting this up a little bit before so you can be ready for having a notification every day in the month of September. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoy the next 30 days with having not 60 days or 60 videos, but 90 videos every day. And then we're throwing in an extra 30 videos because there's going to be 4 of us essentially each day of videos. So that's going to be tons and tons of inspiration, tons and tons of just different stuff that you will see. Natalie is from the UK. She does all different types of stuff on there. And you know Laura. Laura and I collaborate quite a bit throughout the year, and we got done in March for Scrap Madness, which that one's 31 days of videos, because I'm a basketball person and whatnot. So by all means, sit back, relax. Always make sure that you grab some coffee, some wine, some whatever you're drinking, whatever your choice is. Scrap along with us and watch all the videos. And I hope to talk to you guys soon.